Jai Hind students. Today we will learn how to make electric series testing board with an extension board, or we can say how to make electric series and direct line connection board using one way switch, two in one board we can say, because there are two boards we will combine here. For making this multiple board we use the materials: one 5 ampere socket, flexible electric wire, one 3-pin plug, one 5 ampere single way on off switchboard, or we can say PVC gang box, bulb and bulb holders, and certain tools we required for just like plier, tester and screwdrivers. So there are certain materials and tools required display here. Number one is single way on off switch, second one is bulb holder, third one is socket, bulb, electric wire cord. First second line, first 5 ampere 3 pin socket, sorry, 5 ampere 3 pin plug, and this is PVC gang box, and in tools you are there is a tester and plier. Now see, on the right side you see a testing circuit with bulb. We have put here 2 pin plug, and we are testing a starter here. So there are testing point, there are two testing points for testing a starter and 2 points for giving the AC 230 volt AC supply. Just we have converted this circuit to the left one circuit. Here is a one bulb holder and one socket is there. So in the same way as we have done the connection on left side, on right side there are 2 points are open, but these two testing points we have put here on the sockets. When we test any electrical gadgets through the socket, the bulb will indicate whether your gadgets or any appliances are in working order, or it is open circuit, or it is short circuit. For example, if we are testing, we are testing a starter through socket, then when bulb start blinking, it means your starter is in working order. If bulb doesn't give any lights, it means your starter has an open circuit. If bulb gives full light, it means there is a short circuit fault in your starter. Then it means we can say we have converted these simple circuits with these circuits which have one bulb holder and one sockets. Now another one, this is the connections of to control one switch, so one socket by a single way on off switch. So we have to control one socket by one on off switch. This is the connections. We know very well, always connect live wire through on off switch, and connect the neutral wire to one point any electrical component just like bulb holder or sockets. So here we have noted by blue in color neutral wire and red live wire. We show live wire in red in color. Now topmost point will be connected to the earth. So this is the simple connections. Now we have two circuits. One is 3 test lamp circuits, and another one is one switch and one sockets connections board. Now see the next slides, we will learn how we can combine these two circuits. So here there are one circuit is there previous, and one another one is there. Now we have to combine and make an single switchboards. How to make electric series testing with switch and socket connection board with series test lamp circuit. Okay, so see the first circuit. If we are seeing the first circuit, just we have this circuits we have converted here with bulb and sockets. See this these connections, one bulb holder connection is live wire, we have connected here live wire. Another one we have connected this point, another point of one holder with one point of socket, we have connected through this. This is and these points are connected through the neutral wire. We have seen in the same way, third one figure is showing this is a neutral wire. Now see, we have to combine this also. So we have put a on off switch here, we have fit it, and what we have to do, just connect this one point of on off switch through live wire. We have connected here live wire, another one we have connected to the socket, and then we have connected to the socket. Now socket, another point is connected to the neutral wire. Yes, it is connected to the neutral wire. How this circuit will work now? See, when switch is in off position, the circuit will behave just like a series test lamp circuit. Suppose we have switch it on, then what will happen? The circuit is converted just like a to control one socket by one option of on off switch. तो जब हम इसको when we switch it on, we can run any electrical appliances directly through the sockets. When switch is in off position, we can test any electrical components, electrical appliances, just like electric wire cord. We have to test anything. We can check the continuity of the wire. When switch is in off position, that this circuit will behave just like a series test lamp circuit. Okay. Now see, this circuit is complete. This is the complete circuits. We have combined two circuits here, one series test lamp circuits and one another one is to control one switch, one socket by one on off switch. If we want to connect a light indicator also, so the circuit will be remain same, only one light indicator will be connected. This live indicator will not connect through any on off switch, it is directly connected to the live wire and neutral wire. So here we have done the connections here. This is live wire, this is neutral wire we have connected here. What will happen when we, what is the use of light indicator? When we give the supply to this switchboard, the light indicator will indicate there is a supply in our board. Only this is the use of this indicator only. Okay, now we will see the method. If we are putting all the things here, just like light indicator also, so what will be the method? Take all the materials and tools required and fit the on off switch and socket. Connect the earth wire with probe point of the sockets. So सबसे पहले we know very well, we have to connect topmost point of the socket through the earth wire. Now connect the live wire with one point of single way on off switch, one point of bulb holder and one point of light indicator if is there. Connect the neutral wire with one lower point of the socket and light indicator. Connect the rest point of on off switch with rest point of socket and bulb holder together with a small piece of electric wire. Now our connection is over. Now outside we see there are three wire will come outside. So take a 3-pin plug top, connect it with the outside wire, earth wire, live wire and neutral wire. Now our board is ready. We can give the AC supply to the board. Now working of the circuits, I have already told you. When switch it in off position, the circuit will work as a series testing circuit board. You can test any electrical component appliances for open, short, working condition, and also in earth fault also. Earth fault you know very well. When live wire touches through the earth body, then this fault will be known as earth fault. So we can also test earth fault also. And second one, when switch is in on position, the circuit will work as one socket controlled by one on off switch, and you can run any electrical appliances after inserting the plug in the socket. So this circuit can be used as series testing circuit board as well as an extension board. Okay, I think you understand all the things now. Now precaution, what precaution we have to take during electrical connections? Use all electrical tools safely. Make proper connections on off switch with socket and tight all the electric wire connection with a screwdriver or we can say tester. Always connect live wire or phase wire through on off switch. Make the connection according to the circuit diagram and check it before connecting the AC supply. Take proper precautions during testing your switchboard. It is very important. And now that's all about these circuits. Thank you very much.